What is marginal? Derivative of total. If you want marginal cost, differentiate the total cost with respect to number of units. Sides are proportional. Vertical by vertical means AB by MN is equal to horizontal by horizontal or base by base. Y coordinate changes means change in Y coordinate. dy by dt. E means is equal to 8 times means 8 into, or if you know BPT, basic proportionality theorem, if two triangles are similar, their sides are proportional. Marginal cost is derivative of total cost, and we have to differentiate with respect to total number of units produced. Welcome to the session, dear students. In my last class, I made you thorough with concepts of rate measure. In today's class, we'll go ahead with some more problems on rate measures. In today's class, in brief, I'll be discussing triangle problems as well as we'll discuss some commercial based problems. So now in rate measures, again this is a triangle based problem, that is a man of height 2 meters walks at uniform speed 5 km per hour away from lamppost which is 6 meter high. Find the rate at which length of shadow increases. So let us draw a diagram for this. So lamppost height they gave 6 meters. So let us take this is lamppost and man. So they told a man 2 meters. So this is the length of the man. This is what given. So here in the diagram, I'll take AB is the lamppost. AB is the lamppost, and they told the height of the lamppost. Lamppost is how much? 6 meters. So A to B is 6 meters, and man, MN, I'll call it as man. So in the diagram, MN represents what? Man. And man is at a height of what? Man is at height of 2 meters. This is 2 meters. This is also given. And if the man is moving away from the lamppost, means man is moving like this. This is a direction. This is the lamppost and this is a man. Man is moving away from the lamppost. And they want you to find rate at which length of shadow moves. So all of you know shadow starts from what is it? Is leg, and this is the length of shadow, suppose. At what rate this will move is the question. So now let me join this. This meets here. This is a shadow. So what we say is here, let man is at a distance of x from the lamppost and yb is the length of shadow. So in the diagram, whatever you have mentioned, first you symbolize them. AB in the diagram is lamppost. So lamppost, you are assuming it as AB, and AB length they gave 6 meters, and man in the diagram, man is MN. MN they gave 2 meters. That also you can represent. Then what else they give? And we'll assume XB the distance of the man from the foot of the lamppost. So XB the distance of man from lamppost. It's our assumption. So the man is at a distance of x from the foot of the lamppost, and y be the length of shadow. So y is the shadow. Y be the shadow. So now at what rate length of shadow varies? So now what is given? He is moving away. When he moves away, when man moves away from the lamppost, x increases. So x increases. So I can say given dx by dt. So rate of change of x. He is moving away from the lamppost. When you read the question, they told he walks uniform at a speed of 5 km per hour away from the lamppost. When he moves away like this, x increases. So dx by dt is given 6 km per hour. Or 5 km per hour. This is given. I'll write it. And what they're asking you, find the rate at which height of the shadow increases. Height of the shadow means they want you to find dy by dt. The question, or dx by dt plus d by dt of x plus y. The height of the shadow means this part. dy by dt is the question. So now first drawing the diagram. Read the question carefully, understand the question and draw the relevant diagram for it. They told lamppost in the diagram, AB is the lamppost 6 meters. They told a man, so man height MN is the man, the height is 2 meters, and shadow, so I'll say the length of shadow is NS is the shadow. In the diagram, NS is shadow, and so they're asking you to find at what rate So whatever is given, I have written on the board. Observe this carefully. Find the rate at which length of shadow increases. dy by dt they want. You can see two triangles. One is ABS, the other one is MNS, and both are similar. Both are similar triangles. So again, this was the diagram we got, and this was the diagram we got. Two triangles were there. One is ABS, the other one is MNS, and in this is 6 meters and this is 2 meters. This was X and this was Y. And triangle ABS is similar to triangle MNS, because this is right angle, this is right angle, both are having same vertical angle. So all of you know BPT, basic proportionality theorem. If two triangles are similar, their sides are proportional. So I can take AB divided by MN is equal to AB by MN is equal to the first side, that is BS divided by NS. BS by NS. Now further simplify this. And what is AB? AB is 6 meters. And what is MN? 2 meters. And then BS, B to S is X plus Y. You know the length of BS is X plus Y divided by NS. N to S is what? Y. So here in my last triangle problem we used Pythagoras theorem, but here I am using similarities of triangle. If two triangles are similar, sides are proportional. Vertical by vertical means AB by MN is equal to horizontal by horizontal, or base by base. Base is what? BS, and base for second triangle is NS. Create this equation and solve for Y. Simplify this. So you can divide 2 ones are 2 3s are, this will become 3, and I can further split this as X plus Y by Y, let it be, and rearrange, cross multiply. So 3Y is equal to X plus Y, or bring Y to this side. So 2Y is equal to X you will get, and we need Y. So Y is equal to X by 2. So now differentiate both sides with respect to what? T. Then LHS becomes d by dt of y, RHS becomes d by dt of x by 2. All of you know 1 by 2 is constant, take 1 by 2 out. If you take 1 by 2 out, we are left out with d by dt of x. So that is 1 by 2 into dx by dt. Refer the question, they have given dx by dt. So they gave clearly, so man is moving away at the rate of 5 kilometers per hour, means when he moves x varies, rate of change of x they give 5 kilometers per hour, so substitute the same. So now 5 kilometer per hour with units I am writing same. So now 5 by 2, so 5 by 2 kilometer per hour. So the height of the shadow varies like this. 5 by 2 means what? 2.5. Height of the shadow varies 2.5 kilometer per hour. So this is the shadow. And at what rate shadow moves means d by dt of both x plus y. So height of the shadow from the foot, if I take the total x plus y, then it will become dx by dt plus dy by dt. Then add both. So one is what? 5. The other one is what? 5 by 2. That is 7.5. Or 5 to the 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 by 2. That is 7.5 kilometer per hour. Now only the shadow varies at this, the total height of the shadow, only dy by dt or both we can find. Next. So we are done with circle problems, cone problems, cube problems. Now they'll give problems and motion of a particle. So now they told a particle moves along a curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. They gave curve equation also. Find the point. They are asking you to find what? Point. Find the point on the curve at which y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. Y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. Again, write what is given. See, in this question they told the motion of a particle in the form of a curve, and they gave y coordinate varies 8 times as fast as x coordinate, and they want you to find point on the curve. So first let us take given, what is given. So they gave y coordinate changes 8 times. Change in y coordinate means dy by dt is 8 times change in x coordinate, dx by dt. So now simplify this, dt cancels, rearrange. So dy by dx is equal to 8. This is given indirectly. This is given. Y coordinate changes means change in y coordinate, dy by dt. Is means is equal to 8 times means 8 into change in x coordinate, dx by dt. dy by dt is 8 times dx by dt. Therefore, dy by dx is dy by dt by dx by dt, that is 8. Now they gave dy by dx. Now they gave curve. What is the curve they give? 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x because I know dy by dx. So differentiate both the sides with respect to what? X. If you do that, LHS becomes d by dx of 6y, RHS becomes d by dx of x cube plus d by dx of 2. Now 6 is constant, take it out, apply d by dx for what? Y is equal to d by dx of x cube is 3x square and d by dx of 2 is 0. You know constant is 0. Simplify this. 6 into dy by dx is already given. What is dy by dx? 8. 6 into, in the place of dy by dx I'll put 8 is equal to 3x square. 6 8s of 48 is equal to 3x square. Or 48 divided by 3 is x square. Or 3 1s are 3, 1s are 3 6s. So x square is equal to 16 you got. So my dear students, they gave the Q. What is that curve equation? What is curve given? 6y is x cube plus 2. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. In rate measures, we used to differentiate with t. I am differentiating with x. So d by dx of 6y, 6 is constant, take it out. d by dx of y is dy by dx. X cube is in the form x power n into x power n minus 1. So 3x square. Derivative constant is 0. And in the place of dy by dx, we know the value of dy by dx. What is value of dy by dx? 8. So in spite of 6 dy by dx, write 6 into 8. Simplify, you'll get x square. Now point means x comma y. So now you know x square. What is x square? 16. What is x now? Square root of 16 plus or minus. So what is x now? Plus or minus 4. So two values of x we have. So now we don't want just x or y. They want you to find, when you refer the question, they want you to find point on the curve. Find what? Find the point on the curve. They want you to find point. All of you know point in 2 dimension will be in the form x comma y. So now you got x. So if you want to find y, substitute in the equation. 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. So take the equation 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Given, they have given the curve. So now put x value, one of the x value. X is equal to positive 4. If you put 6 into y is equal to 4 cube plus 2. So 6 into y is equal to 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64 plus 2. So y is equal to 66 divided by 6. Y is equal to 11. So therefore one of the point, all of you know, point on the curve will be in the form x comma y. And your x you chose 4 and you got 5, 4, 11. X you chose 4 and y you got 11. So therefore 4 comma 11 is one of the point. What is the first point on the curve? 4 comma 11. Other point also you can find because x we have two values. So you take same 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Put y is equal to minus 4. So then x is equal to minus 4. There are two values for x. One is plus 4, the other one is minus 4. Plus or minus 4. So now minus 4 if you substitute, you will get 6y is equal to minus 4 the whole cube plus 2. That is 6y is equal to minus 64 plus 2. That is 6y is equal to minus 62. That is y is minus 62 by 6. So both are divisible by 2. 2 3s are 2 3s are 2 1s are. So y is minus 31 divided by 3. So you got another point. So other point I'll write it here. That is q. Q is what? X comma y. What is the x you chose? The x you chose minus 4 and y you got minus 31 divided by 2. So 2 points they wanted. We got both the points. So for one of the x value positive 4 you will get y 11. One of the x value minus 4 you will get y minus 31 by 3. So two positive points are possible on the curve. One is 4 comma 11, the other one is minus 4 comma minus 31 divided by 2. So next, now we'll go some of the interesting problems based on commercial mathematics. So one simple hint before I start this is marginal. Marginal is derivative of total. What is marginal? Derivative of total. If you want marginal cost, differentiate the total cost with respect to number of units. Marginal revenue, differentiate the total revenue with respect to what? Number of units. X means number of units produced. So now Total cost C of x in rupees associated with the production is given by total cost is given C of x 0.005 x cube minus 0.02 x square plus 30x plus 5000. They want you to find marginal cost when 3 units are produced. So x means units produced. So now they want you to find marginal cost. See, remember my dear students, marginal means differentiation of total with respect to units. So marginal cost is d by dx of total cost. So I need marginal cost, so that is d by dx of total cost. What is total cost? C of x. In this problem, total cost is C of x, that is marginal cost is equal to d by dx of total cost. What is total cost? This 0.005 x cube minus 0.02 x square plus 30x plus 5000. So they give total cost function, differentiate the total cost function with respect to number of units. So in this case, x is the number of units produced. What we assume x as? X means number of units produced, number of units. So all of you please understand, as you produce more and more units, cost per unit decreases. So therefore, marginal cost means differentiation of total cost. So differentiate the total cost function. So you know 0.005 is constant, take it out. And what is d by dx of x cube? 3x square, n into x power n minus 1. Minus again 0.02 is constant, take it out. Differentiation of x square is what? 2x. Plus 30 is constant, take it out. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of 5000 is 0. So now simplify this. You got marginal cost is equal to, multiply this, it will become 0.015 x square minus 0.04 x plus 30. Now in the place of x, they want you to find marginal cost when 3 units are produced. In the place of x, put 3. In the place of x, at x is equal to 3, because they mentioned in the problem. At x is equal to 3, in the place of x, put 3, 0.015 3 square minus 0.04 3 plus 30. Further simplify this. So 0.045, because 3 square is 9, minus 0.12 plus 30. Add this, you get 30.12 plus 45. See, 30, and they want you to add a 0.12, then they want you to add 0.045. Add this, you'll get 5, 6, 1, 30.165. That's it. This is the marginal cost per unit. So now for 3 units are produced, that is the marginal cost. So now observe, I told you the summary of commercial based problems. If you want, make a note, marginal cost. Marginal cost is differentiation of total cost. In words you write total cost, they may give C of x or f of x or anything. Differentiation of total cost. The concept is simple. When you produce 1 or 10 units, the cost is different. When you produce 100 and 1000, number of units produce ಮಾಡೋದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. As you produce more and more units, the cost decreases, and that cost is called marginal cost. Marginal cost is derivative of total cost, and we have to differentiate with respect to total number of units produced. In all the cases, we assume if it is made up of x, x means number of units produced. So as the number of units produced increases, so cost of production decreases, number of units produced. Now adhe tara one more commercial based problem is marginal revenue. If they ask you to find marginal revenue, so marginal revenue means again same, it is derivative of total revenue. Differentiation of total revenue with respect to what? With respect to number of units. So my dear students, what I want to say is simple. If they want marginal, differentiate the total. Marginal cost, derivative of total cost with respect to number of units, means with respect to x, d by dx of total cost. Marginal revenue, d by dx of total revenue. Next. Total revenue R of x is 3x square plus 36x, where x is the number of units produced. Find the marginal revenue required for 1200 such sets. For one set they give. So r of x is given. What is r of x? 3x square plus 36x. They want marginal revenue. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. You know, derivative of total revenues, marginal revenue. I'll differentiate both sides with respect to left side. D by dx of r of x is equal to d by dx of RHS. D by dx of 3x square plus d by dx of 36x. Further, d by dx of r of x is called as marginal revenue, MR I'll say, and d by dx of 3 is constant, take it out, derivative of x square is 2x, plus 36 is constant, take it out, derivative of x is 1. So marginal revenue is simple, 3 into 2x. What is x value? So they want you to produce 1200, so 2 into x is 1200 plus 36. Now that is 3 to 6, 12 6 are 7200 plus 36, that will become 7236 rupees is the marginal revenue. So marginal revenue is 7326 rupees. So now they wanted marginal revenue in the past problem. What we have done, we differentiated the total revenue. R of x is total revenue, and we substituted x as 1200 because they wanted for 1200. So when you substitute, you will get the required value. Always remember, marginal is derivative of total. They give total revenue, differentiate total revenue and put the number of units as 1200, you will get the answer. Next we have summary. In today's class, what we have learnt. First, I have done shadow problem. So the very first problem what I have done is problem based on triangle, if you refer. So there we took the diagram like this. AB is the lamppost, we took the man as Mn, and we took the shadow as Ns, and we assumed this is x and we assumed this is y, and this was 6 and this was 2, and we used triangle concept. What is triangle? Triangle ABS is similar to triangle MNS, and we used what is called as proportionality in this. What is meant by proportionality? Vertical by vertical means AB by MN is same as horizontal by horizontal, BS by NS. This is the concept we use. If two triangles are similar, their sides are proportional. Then I have done problems based on particle. They gave, so y coordinate varies 8 times x coordinate, dx by dt, or dy by dt by dx by dt, or rearrange madadre dy by dt by dx by dt is 8, or all of you know dy by dt by dx by dt means parametric differentiation. This is dy by dx, or you can cancel dt and 8. This is given. From this we found out point will be in the form x comma y. First we'll get x, we'll substitute, we'll get two different points for the given problem in today's session. Then finally we have done some problems on commercial maths. So commercial maths, marginal is derivative of total with respect to number of units. This is what I told you. If you want marginal cost, differentiate total cost C of x. If you want marginal revenue, differentiate R of x. This is in brief about what we studied in today's class. Please revise every problem. Each and every problem is important, and attend my next session. So thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.